Welcome to Kathy's Hobby Corner.
Guys, I just heard that come spring 2024, there is supposed to be something called a double brood event where billions of cicadas are going to emerge. I've been doing a little research. Apparently, once the ground reaches the optimum temperature of 64 degrees Fahrenheit, the cicadas find their way to nearby trees and shed their skins. The Great Southern Brood will start appearing in late April through the first or second week of May across 15 states, mostly in the South, running from Virginia and into Alabama and Mississippi. As for the northern Illinois brood, it is stated that people will start to see these cicadas closer to mid-May through the first week of June. The brood will be highly concentrated across the states, including Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, Indiana, and a bit of Michigan. It's time to think about garden bug control. When to apply this treatment? In spring or early summer, apply a preventative grub control product such as Scott's Grub X to your lawn. Wrap your trees, bushes, or shrubs in netting with holes 1 centimeter or smaller. This keeps cicadas from crawling under the mesh. Encourage birds into the garden as a way of introducing a control to adult beetles when they mate. Using Japanese beetle spectricide bags will also reduce the outbreak. Making your own natural pest detergent. Mix vinegar, sugar, soap, and water. Spray infected areas to deter and even kill grubs. Another spray mixture is neem oil. 2 tablespoons neem oil and 1 teaspoon liquid soap and 1 gallon water. Fertilize and mulch often, but water the garden sparingly so the roots grow deeper and more robust. Remember, timing is the key to controlling and eliminating garden grubs. Research to identify if you have a grub problem.